Hey everybody, tonight we're going to make something nice and easy, fast, fun, delicious meal for the whole family. Everybody's on the run, everyone's got a lot of things to do. Still got to take time to eat right and eat good. Chicken and artichoke hearts. You don't need to use artichoke hearts, you could use any vegetable you want. Works with everything. Zucchini, broccoli, whatever. It works the same. This one is just one of my things. What I like, so we're going to do, the first thing we're going to do is cut up some chicken. We're going to make some rice. I'm going to show you the right way to make rice. Now, I don't eat rice, but my family does, so I still have to make it. So I'm going to start with about 2 tablespoons of butter. Maybe 2.5 tablespoons. And I do use Kerrygold because I think it's the best butter on the market if I'm not making it myself. Sometimes I will saute some onions with this, but today I'm not doing that. You can see the butter is melted and starting to bubble up. That's what I want. I'm going to add 2 cups of rice. You want every kernel covered with butter. Keep it moving. Let it cook. You can smell the rice and the butter getting a little nutty in aroma. That's what you want. In this bowl, I've got salt, pepper, garlic, and turmeric. That's going to give me that yellow rice effect. So we're going to add our seasonings. Going to give it a stir. Now, I add peas. You don't have to. But I like the rice with the peas. It's kind of cool. Cups of water. Or stock. I use hot water, so because putting cold water into rice would be just stupid. Cover it, turn the heat all the way down, set your timer. 17.5 minutes. Okay, while your rice is cooking, let's prep up our artichoke hearts. These are the artichoke hearts I was telling you about. You can get these at the specialty stores. They come frozen. You get them on Amazon, to be honest. But they're amazing. So these are them. I blanch them because they are raw. And now we can get ready to prep them. You need 1 onion. Well, you don't need it. It's up to you if you want it. And of course, we're going to have some garlic. But with this, I'm just going to slice the garlic, not mince it. In this bowl, I've got some white cornmeal, fine cornmeal, a little bit of cornstarch, salt, and pepper. That's it. Normally, I don't like to cook with seed oils, but that's all I have at the moment, so that's what we're using. Throw these chickens in there. Now you want to pull these off, even if they're not 100% cooked, because they're going to cook the rest of the way in the sauce that we make. All right, chicken's all done. We're going to add a little bit more olive oil to the pan. This time, We're also going to add a knob of butter. Not too much, just eyeball it. And in goes our onions. As you can see now, the onions are starting to get softened up. Almost brown. We're going to add our garlic. And our artichoke hearts. We can salt and pepper. Sometimes I'll use lemon juice, but today I'm not in the mood, so it's going to be straight up. To glaze the pan, we're going to hit it with wine, just basic white wine, nothing special. You're going to see all that fun, built-up flavor is all released. Now we can add. Now we can add our cream. We're going to put our chicken back in. And we're going to let this move around and reduce. And that's it. And this will take about, I'd say, 10 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to show you how perfect my rice came out. Again, follow this rule and you'll never have another bad rice experience in your life. 17 and a half minutes, 1 times 1.5, and look at this. Perfect rice. Not burnt to the bottom. Perfect kernels, all of them cooked. Look at that. Tell me that's not amazing looking rice. Smell that. All right, let's make a plate.